go.
It's the 4th of July in Huntington Beach. And I'm off to a shop ride to the parade in Huntington, and then maybe an easy ride down to the Wedge. We'll see. Happy 4th of July. Take off.
Nice. Okay, that means I have to hold it.
That's right. You don't have to flex all day.
Nice, easy ride.
Take care of it in post, right?
That's right. We'll fix that in post. Absolutely.
Good job, David.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th, David.
Indeed. Yeah. Happy 4th America. So off to the parade?
Yep.
Parade area, anyway.
Wedge first, then the parade area.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Well, the parade doesn't
We're a
start till
couple
10.
hours ahead of the parade.
Good deal. And we're off to the Wedge and then to the parade.
I don't know, what do you call them, those like little three wheel things? Yeah.
Smile. Riding down Balboa Peninsula. Newport's getting ready for their parade, towing all the cars at the staging zone, coming into Balboa Village. All right, we're at the Wedge. We made it so far.
Happy 4th.
Thank you.
Literally like 3 minutes down.
Yeah.
Hola, amigo.
Buenos dias. Okay, we're heading to the Balboa ferry. Gonna go over to Balboa Island. Balboa Island ferry docking. On the ferry.
This way. Okay.
We got 7 here.
All right, let's get us all.
All right.
Everybody decided to the parade, I guess, over on that side.
I think so. Docking at Balboa Island.
Well, that I love. Yeah.
Balboa Island, we're here. Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Who's televising it?
That's right. Get the heroic pose. There we go. Jim Ferguson, happy 4th. Over here. Leaving Balboa Island. Coming into Huntington Beach, crossing the Santa Ana River. On the Pacific Coast Highway. Coming up on Main Street where the parade turns.
Pretty soon. It's 10 o'clock right now.
I see lights flashing. That got my attention. Heading home from the Huntington Beach 4th of July parade.
The good stuff.
They got all the fixings here.
Finest restaurants.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Post-ride feast. Thank you, Candy.
Thank you, Candy.